I'm so fresh. Hey babe, look at the man say, yeah. All I know is now's the time to live in vision. Look in the mirror and say, everybody looking my way. I'm talking to you all day, every day. What you see is what you get, right here, right now. Won't tone it down. Fresh, I'll be your number one, yeah. I'm so fresh. What you see is what you get, right here, right now. Won't tone it down, won't tone it down. Everything that you are, right here, right now, can't tone it down. What you see is what you get, right here, right now, can't tone it down. So fresh, yeah. Hey baby, yo. I'm so fresh. Hey baby, hey yeah. Fresh.
Noon, pag tuwing nagdadasal ako, lagi kong sinasabi na, Lord, kapag makakapag-asawa ako, ipagkaloob mo po sana sa akin yung maalaga, mapagkakatiwalaan, mabait, matalino at maganda. Lord, yung tamang babae, yung tamang tao po. And today, binigay ni Lord sa akin yun. Yung babaeng palaging tama.
It's the same day I called you. I can't lie, we're strangers back in time.
Baby, love, at Charles, kapag magkaaway kami. Una sa lahat, nagpapasalamat ako sa Diyos dahil binigyan niya tayo ng lakas para marating ang araw na ito.
You come with me with full sincerity. I wish I could have told you that I was born.
Love, first of all, I would like to thank and praise God for giving me such an amazing person. Someone who completed my life. When we first met as classmates, I never imagined that one day I'd be standing here promising you a lifetime commitment.
Still want you all the time, and there's an empty space in my heart. It longs for you, my love, it's true. I'm still waiting for you, need you all the time. I can't speak a word from my heart. We fell apart, but lost in time.
Ngayon, nangangako ako na mamahalin kita ng buong puso, susuportahan kita sa lahat ng iyong pangarap at ipaparamdam sa iyo araw-araw na hindi ka nagkamali sa pagpili sa akin. Aba, dapat lang.
It's the same night, the night that I met you, and I used to call you mine. It's raining through the fog.
Gusto kong malaman mo kung gaano ko ito pinapahalagahan. We've shared so many milestones together. Sabay tayong graduate, sabay tayong nag-review, and sabay tayong bumasa ng board exam.
So daylight.
Wow, may magagamit na ako. Love, thank you, love. See you later.
I could have told you that
Anak, palagi lang kami nandito nila daddy mo at saka ng kapatid mo.
to love you with all my heart.
Hi love, ngayong araw yun na yung pinakahihintay natin. Alam kong magugustuhan mo tong gift ko sa'yo. Gamitin mo later, see you wifey, I love you.
Naalala ko ang mga panahong kinakailangan nating magtiis. Mga pagkakataong halos maubos na tayo. Pero pinili pa rin nating magpatawad, mag-unawaan at magpatuloy.
Still waiting for you, need you all the time. I'm crazy as I run to hug you tight, embrace you.
Ngayon, sa araw na ito, I vow to be a good husband to you, hindi lang bilang asawa, kundi bilang partner mo sa lahat ng aspeto ng buhay. To be the kind of partner who love you, understand you and take care of you. I promise I will be the best father to our future children, and I will always protect and cherish you for the rest of our lives. Mahal na mahal kita, Iyo.
So, in sincerity, we're fondled by our memories.
Mahal kita, Charles Nixon de Mesa Baltasar, at pipiliin kita araw-araw, magpakailanman.
The reason that I